So you want to upload certificates to IAM using AWS CLI. Great choice. This process ensures secure access to AWS services without the headache of manual configurations. Automation saves time and effort, making certificate management a breeze. And let's be honest, anything that simplifies security workflows deserves a standing ovation. Let's dive in. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM controls who gets access to what. Think of it as the bouncer at an exclusive club. AWS CLI lets you manage AWS services via the command line, like giving direct orders to your cloud infrastructure. Together, they streamline resource management and bolster security. Because let's face it, we'd rather avoid security nightmares, right? Imagine sending secret messages. Without encryption, anyone could read them. SSL/TLS certificates make sure your data is safe and sound, blocking unauthorized access while maintaining compliance. They build trust with users and keep security nightmares at bay, because no one wants their sensitive data wandering around the internet like a lost puppy. IAM is like the security guard of AWS, protecting certificates and ensuring only authorized users can access or modify them. It prevents accidental misconfigurations that could cause security breaches. Plus, it lets certificates seamlessly integrate with AWS services. In short, IAM makes sure security remains tight. No room for wandering hackers. Before you start uploading certificates, make sure you check off the essentials. A valid SSL/TLS certificate, IAM permissions, AWS CLI installed, and knowing the right command syntax. It's like prepping before a big event. Forget one thing, and you might find yourself stuck troubleshooting instead of getting things done. Let's start with the basics, getting the right certificate. It's like finding the perfect key for a lock, but in AWS. AWS Certificate Manager makes this seamless. So why struggle with manual work? Assigning certificates through IAM ensures security, and always validate before going live. You wouldn't board a plane without checking your ticket, right? Manual uploads are last decade. Let's talk automation using AWS CLI, scripting intelligently and scheduling updates so you're not waking up at 3 a.m. to fix a certificate error. And yes, keep an eye on those scripts. They can be sneaky and fail without telling you, just like a teenager ignoring chores. Nothing ruins your day like an upload error, except maybe spilling coffee on your keyboard. To prevent frustration, ensure your format matches AWS's expectations. Check those IAM permissions and dive into logs for clues. If things go sideways, a solid rollback plan will be your safety net. Security is not just a best practice, it's a necessity. Rotate certificates like their passwords, restrict access to only what's needed, and keep logging enabled. You never know when you'll need to retrace your steps. Strong encryption is your best friend against unwanted visitors. Think of it like locking your front door, but digitally. Ever wished you had a security camera for certificates? That's where CloudWatch and AWS Config step in. Keep an eye on your certificates with real-time monitoring, audit them like a detective, and set up alerts. Because surprises in security are never fun. Certificates don't last forever, and expired ones are about as useful as last year's calendar. Identify and revoke compromised certificates, request new ones efficiently, and automate renewals so you don't wake up one day to a service outage. Proactive security is always better than reactive apologies. And that's a wrap. We covered automation, security, troubleshooting, and best practices. Certificates might seem like a small detail, but they hold everything together. So manage them wisely. For more resources, check AWS documentation, experiment with hands-on labs, and stay proactive. The best security strategy is one that's always a step ahead. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.